How to scan QR code on CapCut easily 2025. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to scan a QR code on CapCut easily. Whether you need to import a template or access a link, this method works on your phone. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your phone. From the main screen, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the Me section, you'll see the Scan button at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. If it's your first time, CapCut will ask for permission to access your camera. Grant the permission, and once the camera is active, just point it at the QR code you want to scan. The app will automatically detect and process the code within seconds. It's that easy. Just make sure the QR code is clear and within the frame of the camera for best results. If the scan doesn't work immediately, try adjusting the distance or angle to get a better scan. And that's how you scan a QR code on CapCut. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.